Hello guys, welcome back to Cocktail Kitchen. We have a special guest today, Ping from the locker room. He's the beverage director of some of the best and my favorite bars here in Bangkok. So we're doing some signature cocktails and you walk us through, Ping.
I'm gonna show you how to make a twist on a highball using ingredients that you probably have in your house right now.
Alright, so let's get creative.
Alright, well today the highball we're making, we can be using a Naked Grouse blended malt whiskey. Next ingredient is tea. So you can use any tea that you have in your house. I have like Oolong tea, already brewed, some sugar, and apple cider vinegar, and ice and soda, of course. 4 part tea to sugar. Now we're gonna make a syrup.
So equal part tea to sugar.
Yes. So here is 100 millimeter of tea with about 100 gram of sugar.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna stir it.
So this is how
all melts in together.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna easily have a tea syrup.
Wow. I noticed that in this drink we have the strong part, which is our whiskey. We have the sweet part, which is the tea syrup. We have the sour or acidic part, which is the apple cider vinegar. And then we have the soda, which is the long part.
And then the apple for the aroma.
So we have, this is a pretty standard, easy DNA of a really good drink.
I'm gonna stir until all the sugar melt.
Awesome.
Alright, I think our syrup is done.
Yeah. Is this enough ice?
Enough ice.
Full glass of ice then. We start with the whiskey?
Sure. Thank you. I like mine. Just a tiny bit of whiskey. How do you like yours?
With a tiny bit more.
With a tiny bit, okay. Well, that's gonna be mine because I'm a lightweight. And
really? Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
So
but I drink.
That's why I'm asking.
I refill a lot, but
okay.
very little at a time.
So you got 30 ml and I got 45 ml of the whiskey.
Yes, that's right. So next,
how much syrup are we putting?
Syrup, say about, depends how much sweetness you like. Yeah. Say around 15.
Okay.
To begin with.
Nice.
Apple cider vinegar. Now this is gonna be the sour agent, and you're gonna need about like a teaspoon of it. It's gonna make you salivate a little bit, keep you coming for more.
Yeah, nice way to put it. Yeah. It's just a tease for your palate. Nice.
Good. Yeah.
Okay.
And then just fill it up with soda.
Fill it up with soda. And just nice. I'm using this fancy soda, but then you can just use any type, right?
Yep.
Canned soda.
A small stir. Just a slice with it. Bring out the fruity flavor of the whiskey.
Any type of apple will do, right?
Any fruits that you have in your house.
Oh, okay. Excellent.
Alright.
Here's
Sal.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, Ping.
Pleasure.
Refreshing.
Right.
It's very delicious. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks Ping, for the drink.
Pleasure.
Stay safe. See you next time.
See ya.